Good morning, LC. I hope you're having a great morning. By now, you've probably heard that Governor Bullock has extended the school closure until April 10th. Don't worry, we've got this. We will continue by providing you learning resources and remote learning and lunches during this time. But I do have a different principles challenge for you today. Today, I found myself looking outside and liking the spring weather. I found myself missing one of my favorite springtime activities, and that is going up and helping our Fergus High softball team. Helping is a totally loaded word. Basically, they let me come up and hang out with them for a little while. Anyways, I got to thinking that they're hurting so much right now. They're not able to practice together or have games right now. And so I'd like us to do something for them as an LC family to help them make it through this. I want each of you to make a poster for each one of our Fergus High softball players, just as if you were sitting at the complex watching them play softball today on this nice spring afternoon. I split the softball roster into home rooms, and I put that in a picture in this post. And I want to make sure that we get a poster for each girl. I kind of started by making one. Don't make fun of me on my pictures, remember. But I kind of started making one right now. I hope it doesn't flip it on the video. But that's just an example of something that you can do. Just something to kind of warm their hearts, if even just for a second, because that will get shared. Hopefully the parents will see it and they'll be able to show them. I'm sure their coach will be showing them all these posters, but I really want to support them. If you're a trackster, don't worry. I'll get something for you guys too. Please remember when you post a picture or video of your poster to use the hashtag Golden Eagle Strong in the comment section. And remember, LC, we got this.